Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows, and today's video is all about spring and Easter items at Dollar Tree. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hello to all the new subscribers, and also thumbs up the video. It won't cost you a thing, and it helps other people to see the video. I would appreciate it so much here on this channel. So let's not wait. Let's get into it because Dollar Tree waits for no one. The first thing I want to talk about is Easter, of course. So they have so many items for Easter. It just exploded in there. Something that I noticed right away were their DIY wreath options. They had ones that were rabbit shaped and also cross shaped. And they had, of course, the items that you would need to decorate. They had so many ribbons. They had these ribbon detailed items that came in, I think, purple and pink and orange and yellow, and it was really, really pretty. Each color had a different kind of pattern to them, so I thought that was really unique. They also had styrofoam eggs. They also had these LED lights, which were really cute for Easter. Batteries not included. I love finding those LED lights for the holidays. And of course, they had so many little decor items, a lot of DIY items, things that you could paint, do craft stuff with your kids, add glitter to it. Tons and tons of bunny booties. I've seen so many cute little bunny booty type DIY crafts there that I thought were really, really cute. They also had an option for a bunny paw prints, which is nice as well. Just very cute options for Easter if you want to do craft stuff, if you are very handy with that type of stuff, DIY stuff. They had plenty for you there. Speaking of Easter items, of course, the plus section of Dollar Tree did not disappoint. They had lots of new items there. In the plus section, I really, really love their porch decor signs. They do not disappoint with those, and they're good quality unless you live in an area where you're going to get bad weather a lot. They're very good quality. So for $5, you can't really beat that. I love the signs. One of them said welcome and another one said hop on in, and I thought they were so cute. So for $5, like I said, it's worth trying them. They had some other items in the plus section as well for your porch. They had LED lights, they had LED bulbs, they had larger planters as well that were $5. So those are good options if you're trying to kind of spruce up your porch after this winter weather gets out of the way and spring is here. They had all that you need really to do that at Dollar Tree. I also want to mention, of course, the gardening tools. One thing that I think people sleep on are the gloves at Dollar Tree, the gardening gloves. I have a pair of these that are more of, I think, like a light green and yellow mix type, and they held out really well. Anytime I'm doing anything outside, even if it's not garden based, I am putting these gloves on. I use them when I rake the leaves even, but I decided to get another pair just because I thought these were really cute. And I couldn't resist. Like, this is so cute with the butterflies on it and the flowers. Also, they had all the other little tools that you would need for your garden, and of course you can color coordinate. They had purple, they had pink, they had yellow, they had like an aqua green color. I just decided to get this, I guess it's a cultivator. I didn't know the actual name for it, but I decided to get this just because we do have a garden. I want to make sure I have some new tools. And I also decided to get this sprayer, and I don't think this is the first time they've had these sprayers, but I decided to go ahead and try them this year. If you've tried the actual spray nozzles, let me know about the quality. Let me know if you liked it. It does come with 7 different water pattern options. It has soaker, cone, center, flat, jet, shower, and mist. And this also comes in similar colors options: purple, pinks, yellows, and an aqua green. Another thing that I found there was kind of a DIY rake set. So you can get the tooth or the head of the teeth, or the head of the rake for $1.25, and you can also get the handle attachment for $1.25. So I thought that was a good deal, and they had different heads and stuff. You don't have to get a rake, but I thought that was pretty good for $1.25. I have not tried these products, so I do not know for sure if they work well in the garden, but if you're on a budget and you do have a garden or you're interested in having a garden, I don't think it would hurt to try these out. They also had an assortment of planters, of course. They even had citronella lights as well, or citronella pumps or something. I don't know what you want to call them. Citronella sticks, pumps. I'm thinking of fireworks. But yeah, they also had those. They also had these wire basket holders so you can hang them from the ceiling of your porch and stuff like that. So yeah, they had a big variety of planters. So if you are ready to plant some stuff, they have you covered, different varieties, different colors. Also, they had some seeds to plant, different flowers. They also had herbs there. I noticed thyme and some basil and a few other herbs there. I thought about getting some, but I'm not 100% sure I want to go with that yet. I also want to mention some other items that I found in the store. Now, I'm not 100% how new these items are, but they were new to me, so I just wanted to share them real quick. I found these little sets for organizing Post-it notes. They had this one, and they also had one that was more of a multicolor, kind of a pastel rainbow type of color set up. I thought this was really cute, and I'm actually going to take it with me to work so I can kind of tidy up my desk a little more. I love a good Post-it note. So yeah, this comes with some Post-it notes. It also has these smaller notes here. And apparently you can take this out if you need to and just use it for something else later. And the pet aisle, they had some new dog grooming items. They had this double-sided brush, which I thought was really cute. It wasn't a good fit for my dog, so I decided not to buy it, but I thought that was neat. I do have that one-sided little paddle brush with the wire teeth. Not a good thing. I did not like that for my dog. I don't think he really cared for it either. So yeah, I would not recommend that item. And they also had the mitt, the I guess it's the grooming mitt where you can kind of just pet your dog, and I guess if they're scared of combs and brushes, this is a good way to groom them. And they had these bow ties. They had bow ties and the clip-on kind of tie look to them as well. So if you are planning on doing Easter photos, this is a great time to include your pet. Go to Dollar Tree, find some bow ties or cute little ties for your dog. They had these color changing lights that I think are for your nightstand or something like that. They had 3 options there of different sayings. One thing I will say is these are not very big. So just so you know, they happened to have one that was already open. I swear, y'all, it was already open. So I had to take a peek and just see how big it was. And it's not very big, but you might be able to fit it in with some type of decor in your kids' room or something like that, or in your home office. If you are interested, I mean, $1.25, why not? Another item I want to mention are these air fryer liners. I found these on an end cap at Dollar Tree, and these fit into 8-inch air fryers or larger. I haven't used my air fryer in a while just because cleanup is annoying, and I was needing some sort of a liner. And so to see these in Dollar Tree, why not try them? There are 50 in here for $1.25. That's really good. So I thought, hey, why not try them? Like I said, I want to use my air fryer, but I don't want a big mess. And I want to mention that they have a brand called the Nobleman for men at Dollar Tree, and it is kind of a whole thing for caring for men's faces and bodies and feet and all that stuff. And yes, I did say feet. They have masks, all kinds of face masks, different types of masks. They have under eye gel pads, they have charcoal nose masks, they have vitamin C oil, they even have masks for the feet. So they have a little bit of everything. I have not tried these products or bought them for my husband yet because I'm not really sure about them just yet. But I like that they have such a big variety. And again, that's called the Nobleman, and it is at Dollar Tree. I think it's really cool that they have just this whole little line hanging out at Dollar Tree for the guys. So that's nice, you know, do something nice for the guys. You may want to go in, grab some and hold it back for Father's Day, which will be here in the summer. You know, just go ahead, buy you some stuff here and there and just kind of hold on to it for Father's Day. So that is my video, you guys. All the new spring and Easter items at Dollar Tree. Whew, there was a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up the video, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.